Peter is one Igbo presidential candidate from the Southeast. However, we have not seen any major Igbo name behind him. His base has been an organic growth kind of people, oriented movement. Does it bother you that at a time that people will think that it will only be fair if the Southeast is able to produce a president?
I am not surprised, and it wouldn't bother me. Does it not surprise you that every effort, frenetic effort is made to bring some of these characters on television to always say that Peter Obi will not win? If Peter Obi does not win, will he die? But the truth of the matter is that the war is psychological. And unfortunately, those who are involved in psychological war are not versed in psychology. Because we know that it is only the man who has the ball that is tackled in a football tournament. And the tackle becomes very vicious if the price is very, very high. The point we are making, when you hear Peter Obi this, Peter Obi that, it is a blessing. It's a blessing in disguise. In essence,
yes.
What I'm saying is that nobody misses those characters who are not endorsing Peter Obi. Peter Obi is fine.
Yeah.
And we are very fine with him.